12:15 p.m. At 10:35 a.m., emergency management officials reported flash flooding due to heavy rain across the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Creedmoor, Butner, RDU International, Rougemont, Morrisville, Stem, and Lake Michie. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flooding is extremely dangerous. Numerous roads and roads will flood. Flood waters will also threaten some homes. If you are experiencing flooding or live in a flood-prone area, move to higher ground. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties: North Carolina, Durham, Granville, and Wake. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Person County, Northwestern Vance County, Granville County, until 12:45 p.m.